So sometimes you'll have a nail going in this way, but here you have these joint fasteners. So we have to get all of these out. The good news is that 45 separated very nicely. That's exactly what we wanted. And now I gotta take these out and all the nails and staples that we're holding this trim in. I'm gonna use a pair of channel locks to remove all this stuff, but you should be able to use any kind of standard pliers that come in like a home repair kit if you have one, or you could borrow them. And you don't want to pry against any finished surface like this. You want to be careful at this 45. I'm going to start here so that's out of my way so I can get these out. And I'm going to use the old piece of trim to make sure I don't damage the wall around it. Go like this. And that'll give me more leverage as well. With these, you want to be super careful because you could start breaking this apart. I'm just going to grab them and little by little pull them out. Like that. As long as you're gentle, you should be fine. You see that I'm putting my pliers past the face of this, so if I do make an indentation, you're not going to be able to see it when you put the other one, when you put the other piece there. Pry against this jamb, but it will be past this caulking line. Should be fine. Yeah, that really dents up the wall, so be careful. I'm going to use my taping knife here. You can use whatever you think will work. You could probably use a butter knife even. This is an old taping knife, by the way, so you can definitely ruin it if you do that. Look at that. I guess the piece was a little short. Use my taping knife to get this caulking out of here. And that's the next step, is to get any caulking or anything that you have stopping you, like this, out of the way. Taping knife like this is great, but you could use a flathead screwdriver, and that should do the trick. Same thing here against the wall. Just be super careful. Sometimes there's caulking in between those pieces, so you'll have to maybe take a knife and cut it out of there. Now I'm just going to clean everything up before we put the new piece in.